Hello CIS scholars, welcome back. Today we are going to start with the workbook. So let's start worksheet number 1, page number 18. Your first question is choose the correct option. So let us start. Your first question is Vidya bought 75 packets of sweets to sell. She sold 10 packets. How many packets are left with her? If you see here, I have colored some of the letters. And here is the word which I have colored is the left. Left word is used for subtraction. Okay, now we have here 4 options. The first one is 10. Your second option is 75. Your third option is 65. And the last option is 70. Now we have to find the answer. So let us do it. First number is 75. So we will write 7 in tens column and 5 in ones column. Then she sold 10 packets. So we will write 1 in tens column and 0 in ones column. Now we are doing subtraction. So we will use the sign of minus. So we will start from ones column. 5 minus 0. So open your 5 fingers. How many we have to take away? 0. Any number subtracted with 0, you will get the same answer. So that is 5. Now we will go to the tens column. So 7 minus 1. Open your 7 fingers. How many fingers we have to close? 1. So close your 1 finger. How many are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 minus 1, your answer is 6. So is there any answer of 65? Yes, here it is. So we will put a tick mark on it. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Ria had 25 colorful sheets. She gave 4 to her brother. How many sheets are left with her? So here there are 4 options. A 21, B 20, C 11 and D 15. Ria had 25 colorful sheets, but then she gave 4 to her brother. We used to share something with her brother or sister. So she is giving here 4 sheets to her brother. Now how many are left? We have to find it out. So let's start. First, she had how many colorful sheets? 25. So 2 in tens column, 5 in ones column. Then she gave 4 to her brother. 4 is a single number. So we will write in a ones column, and it's a word of left. We are doing subtraction. So we will use the sign of minus. Now let's do the subtraction. We will start from ones column. 5 minus 4. So open your 5 fingers. Now how many we have to close? 4. So close your 4 fingers. How many are left? 1. So your answer is 1. 5 minus 4. The answer is 1. Now we will go to the tens column. The number is 2. Minus, here there is no number. That means it is 0. So let us open 2 fingers and there is nothing to take away. So the answer will remain the same. So 25 minus 4, you will get the answer 21. So correct answer is A. 21. Now let us move to the third question. Joseph went to the library and saw 85 story books on the shelves. He took 10 story books for himself. How many story books are left on the shelves? Okay, so he went to the library and saw so many story books. Here 85 story books on the shelf. He took for himself 10 story books. Now how many are left? We have to find out. They have given 4 options. A, 85, B, 84, C, 75 and D, 1. Out of 4, only 1 will be your correct answer. So let us find out. How many storybooks first he saw? 85. So we will write 8 in tens column, 5 in ones column. How many he took? 10. So we will write 1 in tens column and 0 in ones column. We are doing subtraction. So we will use the sign of minus. We will start from ones column. 5 minus 0. So open your 5 fingers. How many you have to take away? 0. So you will get the same answer. That is 5. Now we will move to the tens column. How many fingers you will open? 8. So open your 8 fingers. How many fingers you have to close? 1. So close your 1 finger. How many are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 1. You will get the answer 7. So your answer is 75. So here is your answer 75. So put a tick mark on the C. 75. Now let's move to the next slide. Worksheet number 2, page number 19. Here is your first question. Shika had 48 crayons. She lost 25 crayons. How many crayons does she have now? You have to find how many crayons are left with her. So it's a subtraction. So let's start. First, how many crayons she had? 48. So we will write 4 in tens column and 8 in ones column. How many she lost? 25. So 2 in tens column and 5 in ones column. Okay. We are doing subtraction. So we have to use minus sign. Now we will start from ones column. So let us start. How many fingers we will open? 8. So open your 8 fingers. How many we will close? 5. So close your 5 fingers. How many are left? 3. So write 3. 8 minus 5. Your answer is 3. Now move to your tens column. 4 minus 2. Open your 4 fingers. How many fingers you have to close? 2. So close your 2 fingers. How many are left? 2. So 4 minus 2, you will get the answer 2. So how many crayons does she have now? 23. In this question, you have to check your answer using addition. So we have to check the answer also. So let us check. 48 minus 25, the difference is 23. So we will start. First we will write 2 in tens column and 3 in ones column, because you got this answer as a difference of 48 minus 25. So we will write this first, that is 23. Then we will write subtrahend. You know what is subtrahend? Yes. So let's start. 2 in tens column and 5 in ones column. My answer should be 48. I should get here the answer 48. So let us check. Okay. Now, which sign should I use here? We are checking the answer. So I will use the sign of addition. Now let's start from ones column. 3 plus 5. So open your 3 fingers. Now open your 5 fingers. Now count out all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5. Your answer is 8. Now move to your tens column. 2 plus 2. So open your 2 fingers. Again open your 2 fingers. How many fingers are open? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 48. Yes, my answer is correct. 48. We started the subtraction with this number and I got the answer over here. Now let's move to the next slide. Question number 2, subtract. This is your first question. 7 in tens column, 2 in ones column. Minus sign we will use here. 1 in tens column and 8 in ones column. Minus sign is there. Okay. Now we will start from ones column. 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8, is it possible? No. So what we have to do is, we will regroup it, or you can say borrow it. So we will borrow from tens. So put a cross on 7. We will take one tens away from here. So it will be now 6. And we will add here 10 ones. So we will cross here 2 and 2 is already there. So 2 plus 10 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 8 can be done. So open your 8 fingers. we are going to do backward counting. So 12 minus 8 is, let us find out, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So your answer is 4. Now let's move to the tens column. 6 minus 1. So how many fingers you have to open? 6. How many fingers you will close? That is 1. So close your one finger. How many fingers are open now? 5, right? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 minus 1. Your answer is 5. So what's the answer? 72 minus 18. You get the difference of 54. Now let's move to the next slide. It's the same question. We are going to do the second question. The number is 4 in tens column, 6 in ones column, 2 in tens column and 7 in ones column. We will use the sign of subtraction. Okay, we will start from ones column. 6 minus 7. It is not possible to do because 6 is smaller than 7. So what we have to do is borrowing. So we will go to the tens column. So we will take 1 tens from here. So it will be 3 and we are going to add 10 ones. So already here the number is 6. So now it will be 16. How many fingers we have to open? 7. So 16 minus 7. So open your 7 fingers. Let's start backward counting. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 16 minus 7. Your answer is 9. Now let's move to the tens column. 3 minus 2. Open your 3 fingers. How many fingers you have to close? 2. So close your 2 fingers and see how many fingers are opened. 1. 3 minus 2. Your answer is 1. 46 minus 27. The difference is 19. That's all for today, students. We have completed worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Thank you.